First of all, choose your symbol. You can choose any symbol you like. Then set your time frame to 5 minutes. After that, add the first indicator to your chart. To do this, click on the Indicator tab and type SSL channel by Miss Tricky in the search box. Once you find it, click on it and add this indicator to your chart. Now, this indicator requires some adjustments for accuracy. Go to the settings of this indicator and make the necessary changes to ensure that this indicator gives us the most accurate signals. Make sure you have removed the correct ticks in the Style tab. The SSL indicator is a powerful tool for identifying market trends, and we use this indicator for this purpose. When you can correctly identify the trend, you can make the right trades and achieve good profits. Now, I need to explain this indicator to you. When the price candles are above the line of this indicator, we understand that more buyers are trying to push the price higher, and our trend is likely to be upward at this point. And when the price candles are below the line of this indicator, we understand that more sellers are trying to push the price lower, and our trend is likely to be downward. At this point, we should look for entry points for sell orders. If you are in an uptrend, we should only consider buy signals. And if we are in a downtrend, we should only consider sell signals and pay attention to them. Before using this indicator to open a trade, we need to refine this strategy. To do this, add the second indicator to your chart. To do this, search for Money Flow Index in the search box of indicators. This indicator helps you find more accurate and easier entry points for profit-making trades. To improve this indicator, enter its settings and make the changes you see one by one to make sure that you have not forgotten anything, because these settings are unique and have a great impact on your win rate. By making these adjustments, we can get the most out of this indicator and use the zero line as an indicator for signals. If the MFI line is above the zero line, I recommend that you only consider buy signals and know that these signals have more potential than other signals. Whereas if the MFI line is below the zero line, we need to look for sell signals and make sure that these signals can bring us good profits. Adding this indicator to our strategy will allow us to trade consciously, reduce our risk percentage, and increase our profitability. Now that I have explained these two indicators to you, you just need to know how to enter a trade. First of all, we'll start with sell orders. The first condition for placing sell orders is that we are in a downtrend. To do this, we need to look at the price candles and make sure that these candles are below the SSL indicator line. After that, we need to look for a sell signal at this point and find it. However, this is not all. We need to get confirmation from the MFI indicator for entering the trade. For this, we just need to make sure that the MFI line is below the zero line. After all these conditions are met, we can consider this point as a good entry point for our sell orders. For stop loss, we can consider the last swing high as a secure level. Now consider a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 1.5 and wait for the trade to close with a profit. Now let me explain the conditions for placing a buy order to you, and I won't tire you with the video anymore. To place a buy order, we need to make sure that we are in an uptrend. For this, we need to look at the price candles and make sure that these candles are above the SSL indicator line. Now we need to look for a buy signal at these points and find it. After finding it, all we need to do is to go to the MFI indicator and make sure that the MFI line is above the zero line. Once all these conditions are met, we understand that this point is a good point for our buy order. So we place a buy order at this point, and it is better to set the last swing low as the stop loss level. Now consider risk to reward ratio of 1 to 1.5 and wait for the trade to close with a profit. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and leave a comment about the video for us. Goodbye until the next video.